Model: 2020 Citroen Relay DUCATO Boxer 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 140 6-speed Enterprise Simple Fix Trade Margin Open Mouth Smile. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 83,120. MOT: the 20th of September 2024. Engine: 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Still runs fine, but engine is slightly misfiring due to injector number 1 will need replacing. Simple for a relay specialist. Open mouth smile. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, sat nav, parking sensors.